Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for number 9. This is our last video of our set. It says how many 1/2 cup servings are in a box of oatmeal that contains 6 3/4 cups of oatmeal. So our total amount is we have 6 3/4. That's how much we have altogether. And we're figuring out how many 1/2 cups are in this. So we're taking this and we're dividing it into sections, and each section is going to be 1/2 cup. So we have 6 3/4 divided by 1/2. How many 1/2s are in 6 3/4? Anytime you're working with mixed numbers in an equation, you want to turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. And remember, we do that by multiplying the denominator times the whole number and then adding it to the numerator. So we would have 4 times 6 plus 3, and then the denominator stays the same, so it's 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So we'd have 27 over 4. And we're dividing by 1/2. And remember, when you're dividing by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we switch the numerator and the denominator. So we multiply by 2 over 1. And then I can just multiply across. But before I multiply across, I'm actually going to cross cancel to make my multiplication a little bit easier. Right? If I had 2 on the top and 4 on the bottom, I look diagonally across and see, can I divide these by the same number? I can divide both of these by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now I can just, it's easier, I can multiply 27 times 1 is 27. 2 times 1 is 2. And I'll notice, okay, so I can have 27 halves. That's how many servings I can make. But I don't see that option anywhere here, which means I need to turn this improper fraction into a mixed number. I think to myself, how many times can 2 go into 27? Or I can just do the long division here. Let's do that. 2 goes into 2 once. 1 times 2 is 2, bring down to 0. 7, 2 goes into 7 3 times, and I have a minus 6. I have 1 here, so remainder 1, which means it's 13 1/2, which is right here.